what is the specific speed of this pump? 50 gallon per minute flow rate, supplies 98 feet ahead, has an impeller rotational speed of 3,500 RPMs. So we can just directly solve the equation. We have all of the information. Because remember, NS, this is not prime, so this is the more lazy method. GPM to the 1/2 over R head in feet to the 3/4. Just directly plug the numbers in. Now I'm not going to write down the units because remember, we're forgetting the units once we have the right ones in, because this is a dimensionless parameter, but it has dimensions. We're just going to forget about the dimensions. So if I go and I plug these numbers into my calculator, I should get 795. So my specific speed is 795. And if I go to my chart here and look at 795, probably somewhere right about there. So that would definitely be a centrifugal pump, be in that range, probably be operating somewhere about 81, 82%. But the important thing here is we use that to identify it's a centrifugal pump.